called me in May 2008 that I want to come out full out from HP and want to work full time in business. I want to be full time entrepreneur. And that was the time when we started thinking what kind of business we can do.
I was on the US side, Sandeep was on the India side. I went back over there and started a small real estate company. And the idea was to make a bit more money before we actually start InTime Tech. And in those days, I didn't know that InTime Tech was the company. In fact, so much is so that we tried other entrepreneurial ideas before actual software company came to the existence.
I was working at HP the first portion of 2009. I didn't leave until end of August, and first thing I did was flew to India, and they had just moved into the office that we're currently in Jaipur. We only had a tiny little piece of it. And then I worked out of my home office. I spent a lot of time at coffee shops, meeting people. It wasn't until we partnered up with JetMobile, we're doing some work with JetMobile and became a distributor of those products, so we hired people locally.
When I joined InTime Tech, we were a 50-member team. Kind of infrastructure we had then versus what we have now, it's a big difference. And the processes that we follow now versus what it used to be when we were a much smaller company. Now I can say we are a more mature organization.
I joined InTime Tech in 2010, so I would say definitely the team was smaller. But if you see, when I look now and look back, I don't see much difference. It's the same warmth, same love, and same feeling of togetherness.
If I look back at the journey, how it was then and now, the culture is same, but the infrastructure, the people, it evolved a lot. So when I joined, it was just a small office where hardly 20 people were there, and we used to know each other very well. And now we have a big building, multiple floors. The one word, if I have to explain, I can just say wow. It's an amazing journey. I'm thoroughly enjoying.
I feel InTime Tech legend will live on now. When I take a slice of moment right now and see, I think the company has a life on its own now, which will go on. So that's what I see.
In 2009, Jeet wanted to start, right? And then one day we were having lunch conversation. Then I asked, he was just sharing with me, okay, I want to start and do something like this. And then I simply asked him, Jeet, how can I help you, right? And that's how we started together. I remember still in those days, we did not have any office, right? We used to go to Jeet's apartment, personally I and then a couple of other people, and then work from there. From 9 to 5 I used to work at HP, and then I used to get into a bus, and then my work would start at InTime Tech.
Back then we had one client where 70% of the employees were working for that one client. Now if you ask me, we have 30+ clients. Time which we have spent, we have really built that leadership team. We have a strong leadership team. What I see for future for InTime Tech is that global expansion. Right now we are mainly working with US clients. I can foresee in near future we'll start working with clients from UK, from Australia, from Asia. Coming years, expansion will be exponential.
I have joined InTime Tech in May 2009. I have completed 11 years in few months here. For the future of InTime Tech, I can say company is growing and it will go very high. The motto is not to earn money. Founder motto is employee satisfaction, employees happiness is first priority.
Exactly, with very less resources in terms of like the air conditioner or the computers. Like we were very 8 to 10 people were there in that office, and we had a lot of, I would say, challenges, but then I think we were determined to take it to the next level.
Over the years, I have seen the transformation, in many areas. The leadership has really done a remarkable job in sticking to their core values like trust, transparency, integrity, and leadership, and enrolled everyone to practice that.
I see tremendous growth, not because we provide something so unique and different in the sense of the service itself, but it's the how we do it, why we do it, the people that we are that makes the difference. And as we build larger teams with more of a culture in that space and people really get it internally, that radiates outwards.
I'm excited to be on this journey. I'm excited that in spite of our growth here in Time Tech, there are a lot of things that remain the same. And that's the leadership's commitment to each of us as employees, to preserving our culture and to having fun.